Are you ready to practice English?
Yes, let's begin.
What's your name?
My name is John. What's your name?
My name is Emily. How old are you?
I am 20 years. How old are you?
I am 18 years. Where are you from?
I'm from New York. Where are you from?
I'm from California. Do you have siblings?
Yes, one brother only. Do you have siblings?
Yes, 2 sisters. What's your favorite color?
My favorite color's blue. What's your favorite color?
I love pink best. Do you like sports?
Yes, I love soccer. Do you like sports?
Yes, I enjoy basketball. What's your hobby?
I like reading books. What's your hobby?
I enjoy painting pictures. Do you play instruments?
Yes, I play guitar. Do you play instruments?
Yes, piano and violin. Favorite food?
I love pizza. Favorite food?
Sushi is my favorite. Do you like animals?
Yes, I love dogs. Do you like animals?
Cats are my favorite. What's your favorite book?
Harry Potter series. What's your favorite book?
Harry Potter series. Do you watch movies?
Yes, I love movies. Do you watch movies?
Yes, I watch often. Favorite movie genre?
I like action movies. Favorite movie genre?
Romantic comedies are best. Do you cook?
Yes, I cook sometimes. Do you cook?
Yes, I love cooking. Do you travel?
Yes, I love traveling. Do you travel?
Yes, it's my passion. Favorite travel destination?
Paris is my favorite. Favorite travel destination?
I love visiting Tokyo. Do you like dancing?
Yes, it's fun. Do you like dancing?
Yes, especially ballet. What's your dream job?
Being a doctor. What's your dream job?
Becoming an artist. Do you like swimming?
Yes, I swim often. Do you like swimming?
Yes, I enjoy it. Do you play video games?
Yes, I love gaming. Do you play video games?
Sometimes, not often. Favorite video game?
Minecraft is my favorite. Favorite video game?
I like Sims. Do you like shopping?
Yes, I enjoy it. Do you like shopping?
Yes, very much. What's your favorite season?
I love winter. What's your favorite season?
Summer is the best. Do you like hiking?
Yes, it's refreshing. Do you like hiking?
Yes, very much. Do you have pets?
Yes, a dog. Do you have pets?
Yes, a cat. Do you like reading?
Yes, I enjoy it. Do you like reading?
Yes, very much. Favorite school subject?
I like mathematics. Favorite school subject?
I love biology. Do you like art?
Yes, especially painting. Do you like art?
Yes, I love it. Do you play chess?
Yes, sometimes. Do you play chess?
Yes, I do. Favorite music genre?
I like rock music. Favorite music genre?
I love pop music. Can you drive?
Yes, I can drive. Can you drive?
Not yet, soon. Do you like gardening?
Yes, very relaxing. Do you like gardening?
Yes, I enjoy it. Favorite flower?
Roses are my favorite. Favorite flower?
I love tulips. Do you like fishing?
Yes, it's fun. Do you like fishing?
Not really. What's your favorite fruit?
I love apples. What's your favorite fruit?
Mangoes are best. Do you like baking?
Yes, very much. Do you like baking?
Yes, I love it. Do you like tea?
Yes, especially green tea. Do you like tea?
Yes, I do. Favorite holiday?
Christmas is my favorite. Favorite holiday?
I love Halloween. Do you like coffee?
Yes, every morning. Do you like coffee?
Yes, very much. Do you like jogging?
Yes, every day. Do you like jogging?
Yes, it's refreshing. Do you like drawing?
Yes, I enjoy it. Do you like drawing?
Yes, I love it. Do you like poetry?
Yes, I love it. Do you like poetry?
Yes, especially classics. Do you like skiing?
Yes, it's exciting. Do you like skiing?
Yes, very much. Favorite ice cream flavor?
Chocolate is the best. Favorite ice cream flavor?
Vanilla, always. Do you like yoga?
Yes, it's calming. Do you like yoga?
Yes, very much. Do you like running?
Yes, every morning. Do you like running?
Yes, it's energizing. Do you like nature?
Yes, very much. Do you like nature?
Yes, it's beautiful. Favorite candy?
I love chocolate. Favorite candy?
Gummy bears. Do you like puzzles?
Yes, they're fun. Do you like puzzles?
Yes, very much. Do you like pizza?
Yes, love it. Do you like pizza?
Yes, it's delicious. Wrap up. That was fun practice.
Yes, learned a lot.
That was fun practice.
Yes, learned a lot.
Let's do it again.
Definitely, next time.
Let's do it again.
Definitely, next time.
Take care, see you.
You too, bye.
Take care, see you.
You too, bye.